bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the
I can't believe, Dr. Ray, my famed assistant. I can't believe only 5 days after eating the chocolate, 5 days past Valentine's Day when they released the chocolate, this is what happened to you. I've been struggling, Dr. Ray. Struggling, my old friend. I don't know what to do with myself. I'm trying to keep myself together, but I'm transforming. It transformed you so much faster than I thought. The transformation's happening just days after eating the chocolate. February 14th, they let it out. And I told them not to. I told them not to. I did. But I tell you what, my fate will not be as yours, my friend. I'm a doctor, and I must find a way. I must find a cure. I will find a cure, because my other two assistants, they're working right now to find a way. They're working to find a cure for you, the people of the world, so you don't end up like my dear friend, Dr. Ray. Isn't that right, Ray? I told you not to eat the chocolate. They didn't listen. Nobody listened. And now look what happened. And that damn guard feeding me chocolate. I must hold on. I must hold on to the very end. I'm leaving clues. Lots of clues, and I hope that they can find the clues to cure the world. My appetite for brains is growing increasingly, ever, it's increasing. If you only had some, my friend Dr. Ray, I would enjoy your delicacies. I don't think I'm going to make it through this. I just don't think I'm going to make it through. Are you going to make it through? If the cure is not found, if this epidemic is not stopped in time, you too are going to go psycho and end up like that. Dead. Dead. Before it gets too late, my friend Dr. Ray, we need more help. We need more coalition. We need more people that want to help us save the earth, save the human race. Do you know what I mean? We don't want everyone acting like you. And we don't want them looking like me. Please, send more brains. Send more coalition. We must save the human race. It's up to the coalition now, but we need more help. Before it's too late.